Well, hello, it's CMO, and today it's Mattress Day. Hi everyone, it's Liz and Alex from Chief Mom Officer, where we talk all about money, work, and frugal family fun to help you reach financial freedom. And today we're talking about mattresses! Yay!
Yeah, in 10 minutes we're gonna go downstairs and play.
Yes, we are. But first, we gotta tell everyone about the mattress.
Yeah.
The mattress came today, right? Right. So we ordered this mattress a couple weeks ago off of Amazon, and the first one got lost in the mail somewhere in New Jersey. So they mailed a replacement with 1-day shipping yesterday, and it just got here today in a box.
Yeah, in the box. A huge long box, but I couldn't fit.
All right, go ahead. Show us how big the box is.
Big.
Where's Alex? Ah, that is a big box.
And it hides me from people.
Yep. So it was this long of a box.
Yeah.
It came here, we brought it upstairs, and then we unwrapped the mattress.
Yeah.
And then, poof, it turned into a giant, big, thick mattress. It's really cool to watch the mattress go from flat and skinny to fat and puffy.
Fat and puffy.
That's
So
right.
huge.
So huge.
It's so long.
You can see how thin it is.
Big bed. Bouncy. Woo.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
It's so comfortable. We had actually ordered one a few months ago for our middle son, and he loves his mattress. So we ordered another one when this guy needed a mattress for his big boy bed. He needed a new mattress because his crib mattress wouldn't fit his big boy bed, right?
Right.
Right, you needed a big mattress.
Yeah, so big.
So big. We love this mattress. It's really cool. It's not very expensive at all. It's really nifty. It takes a couple days to inflate all the way, we know from our middle son's mattress. So it'll keep inflating, but right now it's pretty comfy and bouncy.
Yeah. Bang.
See?
Bang.
It's very bouncy. So hopefully if you ever need a new mattress for your kids or a guest room or even your own bedroom, you might consider buying an Amazon mattress. It doesn't cost thousands of dollars. It's pretty comfortable and it's perfect for growing little boys.
Uh-huh.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's episode all about this really cool Amazon mattress. If you're interested in checking out the one that we got, I'll leave a link in the description box below. And I hope that you'll follow me on my social media handles, which I'll put somewhere on the screen. And you can also find those in the description box. And I hope to see you next time. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.
What did I usually say? I forgot now.
Say it. So let's in the bed and Alex and Mommy.
Are you a monkey?
Yeah.